Hello, Riley. How are you? When's your exam?
I don't know yet.
CA1, you don't know. Isn't it next week?
No.
No.
I
What
I
about
don't know.
Shafia? Where? You don't know. You must check out. I think it's 1 or 2 weeks, I think. Okay, let me see.
Wait, can I get my things?
Okay, sure. Shafia, how are you, Shafia? Shafia. Shafia is not there. We cannot see you, Shafia. Okay, we'll start now. Are we ready? Assalamualaikum to everyone, and we'll start now. Here we go. I'm going to share screen. Come turn on your videos, come. We will start now. We can start with CHIJ paper. This is 2020 paper. 2020 paper. So come, can we start with question 1 and 2? Naomi, come. Let's start, Naomi. We are still waiting for 2 more persons, right? Okay, I will ask the 2 persons to join. Okay, you can just send me your answer. Okay, we have an answer, first answer from the Riley. Let's see. Where's my specs?
Nice box. Nice blue box.
Oh, blue box. I'm gonna get it out now.
I said nice.
Nice, yeah. But it's supposed to be out. Okay, let's see. Okay, ID. Let's see. We wait for the rest. Come, you can do the next one.
Is number 2. Is
Number
number 2 level 9?
Level 9. I forgot the level. I think no, it's not. Level 9, remember there's minus something, there's 2 numbers, right? This one's only 1 number. I mean level 5 or 4. Come, anyone? Naomi, what's your answer, Naomi? You can read this part first. You can read this part first. Don't get this part first. Then after you decide.
I need help with number 2.
Okay, number 2 will coming in a moment.
Thank you.
So number 1, what about Shafia and Naomi? Naomi, what do you think the answer is for question number 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shafia, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can just key inside the. Okay, since no answer, then we have to. Okay, now down here, 604. You write 604. 1,000. You write 1,000 lah. See, I just write 604. You see, it says 604. 1,000. I write 1,000. Then 712. I write 712. See, 712. So I write 7. So you've got 604,712. This is the one. Okay. So we move on to the question number 2. Question number 2. Hold on, I will remove this. Question number 2. So now, if in case you're not so sure, look at this. This is ones, tens, hundreds. 8 is in the hundreds place. So how do you write it? It there is a 100 place. So how do you write it? I have to write for you now. Okay. So very simple. Watch, if you're not sure, watch, okay? Now this one, when you have something like that, oh, sorry. When you have something like this, remember that they have already given you this as a whole number. This is now the same as 9 on here. So you write 9. So 8 is over what? Look, the whole thing is 8. It is ones, tens, 100. So it's over 100. But you see, there's no such thing as 9, 8, or 100. You are correct. 9, 8, 100 over not here. But you can divide this by. You can divide this by 4. You can divide this by 4. What do you get? You get 9, 2 over 25. Now you get somewhere here, which is this one. Number 2 again. So you do this one now. Questions on the board here. Can you see the questions on the board? Okay. Express 10.2 as a fraction. Express 4.15 as a fraction. You must be able to do them. Can see, huh? You want you to change it to a fraction. Just give me a moment. Huh? Okay, but you can do it. Okay, never mind. Right. Can you see? So now you tell me how to do this. 10.2, how to do this? Anybody? Before the dot, that's supposed to be what? The whole number. So before the right, you write this whole number as 10. 10.
Wait,
Okay, you do. Okay, you try both of them. First. You try both of them and then you key in your answer. Okay, try both of them and key in answer. All right. Let's see whether you can get it. Okay, yes. Anyone got answer? Oh, Akil is coming. Okay. Naomi, you got answer, Naomi. What is it that you can do it? Look at this number. This not done yet. Okay. 10 to the power 2, not to the power. All right. I'm going to change it to fractions. You will get something like that now. One number here. Like this, you must know what to put it into what form here. Okay. Shakil. We miss you, Shakil. Please come. Stop playing Sifu and Tonga. Come, let's see now. Yes.
The one that is for who? Oh, the answer. The answer below my one answer is actually my number 2.
Okay, no problem.
In chat.
So this one we what? 10 whole. We write 10 here. This in what place is this? What place? This is. Remember not? This is 1, 10. So you put 10 over here. This one 2 over here. Then you can reduce further. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. It's 10, 1/5. This is what it is. What about 4.15 here? 4.15. Okay, let us see now. 4.15. 4.15. This one becomes whole number. This one we write 15 here. But what is it over? Ones, tens, hundreds. Then divide by 5, get 3. Divide by 5, get 20. So this is 4/3/20. Okay, we will try further. Okay, we'll try further. But you must be able to do this. Okay. Now remember, maths is all about practice. Just as you, yeah.
So did I get it correct?
Yes, you get it. 4 whole 4 over 15. No, not over 15. The 15 is on top. So it's 10 whole 1 over 50. It's 10 whole 1 over 5. Not over 1 over 15. I mean, we try further later on, okay? We try further later on. Shakil, assalamualaikum, Shakil. All right, here we go. Now this is CA1 paper. Try. Round off to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Congratulations, Mr. Ridey. Down here now, 1 decimal place like this. So we want to stop the answer down here. That means it must be 40 something, point something, just 1. You must look at the digit on the right. If the digit of the right is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. Yeah. So this 5, you must plus 1. You plus 1 now, this one becomes 10. You carry the 1 here, becomes 42.0. So we have to now try now. You have to do this now. Okay. Ready, yeah?
42.00.
No, for 1010 only. The answer only give you 10. But it's okay. 0.00, so it's okay. But we want one decimal place. Round off to one decimal place. You try question 1, question 2. Okay. To one decimal place. Can you try for these two? And then you can tell me what the answer is.
Sorry. Wait, I know. I think.
Okay.
One zero zero 1.0120.
One decimal place, Mr. Akil, you must stop down here. You only want one decimal place. Means after the dot, only one now. One decimal place under here. So make sure you look down here. Do you plus a 1 or not? Do you plus a 1 or not? That's the question. Yes, Mr. Riley.
So did I get it correct?
Okay. Yes.
Teacher, actually I don't understand.
Yay.
Okay, you don't understand. Come. All right. Now, if they say one decimal place, they want to round off. Remember last time I told you what's the meaning of round off? Agak-agak to one decimal place. So where is one decimal place first? This is a decimal point. This is one decimal place. This is two decimal places. This is three decimal places. So one decimal place is here. How to round off? Whenever you need to round off up this number, you look at the one on the right. If this number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't plus anything. So this is 5, you must plus 1 on here. So it becomes like that. Watch out. 1, 2, 3, point. You must plus 1. It becomes 0.5. Okay, but say I don't know what it means. This is what you're supposed to do. So you practice, you do this. So now down here, Akil, Akil, down here, one decimal.
1001.012.
Okay, 1001 point. You must stop down here only. Only one number, one digit you can write. So what is it going to be? Because you want one decimal place, you cannot go more. What number? 0. That's it. That's it. Halas. You look down here. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't plus. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you plus. Plus what? Plus 1. So we try now 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Okay. Two decimal places, huh? Two decimal places. Count 2 now this time. Can anybody? Anybody?
Zero point 79, 11.75.
Down here say 0 point.
Should I say in chat? I'm saying in chat, so
Okay, what's your answer? Oh, in chat. Okay.
in chat, in chat.
What's your answer, already?
FR.
For number one?
For number one is 0.16. For number two is 11.01.
Okay. So become one by one. Huh? So now must remember, if they ask for two decimal places, you got to count. This is the decimal place. You want to 1, 2. Just 2 only. 1 and 2. Then we must look at the one on the right. Do we plus 1 or not? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 you must plus 1. So this one must plus 1. So it becomes what? 0.16. That is correct. Why? It's already 0.15. Do you need to plus 1? The answer is only 0.15 or 0.16. But because this is more than 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we plus 1 becomes 0.16. The next one now. 2 decimal places. Now, anyone got the answer? Righty, what's your answer?
For which one?
Number 2. Number 2.
For number two, I got 11.01.
11.01. What about Shakir? What do you have?
11.8.
Yeah. 11.8. Okay, so now how do you get 11.8? Let's see. 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places. You must stop down here. So you do that. 11.0. Down here now we go the way. Let us see now. You look down here. Oh, must plus 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we must plus 1. 7, you must plus 1. So plus 1 becomes like that. Because from 0, you plus 1 becomes 1. But stop there. Okay, never mind. As we go forward, yeah? Confused. Confused, is it? Inshallah, inshallah, don't worry. Inshallah, we're gonna practice more, okay? We try. Let us see. What is the size of this? Okay, what size? Carefully, yeah, careful, yeah.
Sure. I haven't learned this. What? What?
So now, what is your answer? You write down now what you think the answer is. What is the answer?
But sure, I never studied this yet.
You have not studied this yet. Okay.
I'm only on fractions.
Okay, no problem. First of all, never mind. We let us learn a little bit about this. Okay, I know you have not studied this.
106.
Okay, is it 106? Could be 106. You see down here from here to here, it could be 106. But we have one problem. They ask for angle XOY. XOY is this angle. This is XOW.
I already found the answer.
What's the answer?
1.
1. Okay, 174. Okay, so now that means you must understand the angle XOY is this angle. XOY down here. So your 0 must start down here. If your angle is here, your 0 start. So down here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then 74, roughly 74. So this is roughly correct. Never mind, I just want you to know a little bit, because later on we'll be going through. This one you must know. What? This is your bed size. How long is your bed size? Please choose an answer, please. Let's see whether you can get it correct. Only one. Just key in your answer. Just guess. If you do not know, just guess. Okay, we got now 4 answers already. Wow, wow, wow. So many answers. Okay, let's see. Righty.
I think it's 2 or 4. Either one.
Oh. So we should choose one. Is it 2 or 4?
4?
Four.
Wait. 4 is too high. 4 is too high.
So number 2.
Probably 2.
Okay.
2.
What about Shafia? Shafia, what about you, Shafia? Which one is the length of an adult bed? You know, katil, katil. By the way, in Indonesia, katil means is the bed for a person who has passed away. Jenazah. That is what is called katil. Some parts of Indonesia is like that. Not all parts, some parts. Katil is where they carry the dead body.
Can I talk to my mom for a while?
Yeah. So now, what's the next one now? Shafia, what do you think the answer is, Shafia? Look here, Shafia. Shafia, what's the answer? Shakil, don't run away. Guess. Naomi, your bed, how big is it? Is it 19 cm?
Wait.
Don't need to measure your bed.
What?
Don't need to measure your bed. I know some of you are measuring your beds.
I'm not. I wasn't sure. My bed is that way.
Okay, so we try. Let's see. Hey, Shakil, I can see you with a ruler. Okay, what you must know all this. You know, hello, mathematics is important to your life. Imagine now, you do not know the size. I want to have a 19 cm bed. 19 cm bed. Let me see. Okay, so far 2 persons say the answer is 2. Shafia, what do you say the answer is, Shafia? Shafia, what's your answer, Shafia? 2 persons say the answer is 2. Do you agree, na, Shafia, the answer is 2?
I think it's 2.
2, everyone says 2. Now, okay, let me show you. This here now is a 30 cm ruler. Okay, 30 cm ruler. So, 19 cm is this short lah, like that. Your head, you put your head on top, so it's the size of a pillow, I mean, a small pillow. It cannot be the size of your bed unless you are in Gulliver's Travel. You know Gulliver's Travel? The giant becomes small, tiny. Now, if it's 19 meters, Allahu Akbar. You know what's 19 meters? 1 meter, you know, your ceiling, you look up your ceiling, this one is about 2 meters. It's about 2 meters plus. 19 meters, you have a very long bed. What are you doing with a very long bed at home? Even your room also cannot fit the 11. Your room maybe is about 5 meters.
I know the answer.
But if you say 190, let's say, some of you say 190 meters, you must know how big that is. You know your school field, you go to Toa Payoh Stadium, whatever stadium, down here, this track is like that, right? And then it goes round. Do you know how long this track is? From here to here?
cm.
100 meters. 100 meters. Normally, they say the man and woman run very fast. 100 meters. 190 meters is like very, very long. What are you going to do on the bed? Say, I'm going to run on the bed. Well, that bed you can buy in another place. So the answer. Let's see now. 9 centimeters.
The answer is 2.
Answer too long lah. 90
Mr.
meters.
Shahid.
Yes.
Mr. Shahid, my answer is 3.
3, yes. 190 cm. Because 1 meter is how much? 100 cm. 2 meter about 200. So this is about the size of adult bed. Some beds are a little bit longer, but this is the size. How many? 2 meters. Same thing for the door. Sometimes they ask you in PSLE, they ask you, how high is the door? Is it 20 cm? Is it 2 meters? Is it 200 meters? Yes.
Mr. Shahid,
yes.
Can I take?
Take. Don't need to ask me. Okay, take. So now, same thing. Some people say, the size of my door is 20 cm. You know 20 cm, you got to open up your door, you got to crawl through the door like a dog. So you must know. Like this one now, they ask you now, how heavy is this piece of paper? One piece of paper, how heavy? How heavy? So they ask you, is it 2
0.
gram?
0.
2 kg?
0.5 kg.
0.5 kg is about maybe 2 cups like that. 0.5 kg.
0.1 kg.
0.1 kg is maybe like this cuts on here, 0.1. This is like 1-2 grams only, very light. So you must know the weight, you know. You must know the weight. Otherwise, you learn maths, you do not know. What I learn, I do not know. But all these are numbers. You must know. You do the door, imagine you don't know measurement. Someone asks you, how big is the bed you want? I want a bed 200 meter. How are they going to fix it into your room? In fact, you'll be charged a lot of money. So be careful. Be careful. How heavy is a baby? Now you mean how heavy is a baby? Newly born baby.
I think
5 kg.
5 kg. 5 kg possible. Very heavy baby possible.
wait.
Possible.
2 kg.
2 kg also possible. So it's maybe 2 to 5 kg. 2 kg is quite light. But possible. How heavy is an elephant?
1,000 kg.
1,000, about 1,000. That means now we have 10, might be 5,000. I do not know whether they have, but maybe 2,000 they may have. Very heavy, very heavy. All right, the truck, you know, the army truck, they call it a 3-tonner. It's 3 tons. That means maybe one elephant.
3,000 kg.
3,000 kg. You must know all this. Why you must know all this? If you go inside the lift, there is a maximum weight. So let's say all the fat people are enter inside, plus an elephant enter inside. The whole thing putus lah, mati. But it's okay. Okay. All right. You know the lift, lift. You all know, there's certain weight you cannot take. This one now.
My
Careful,
only can take 8 kg.
8 kg.
8 people.
8 people, but how many kg? No, normally they might say 8 people. So let's say now in my size, they say no, sorry, not 8%, but 6%. If you bring an elephant inside, they say only 1 elephant. Maybe. But you bring children, you might have bring 20 also, it's okay. Maybe. But now in COVID, it's not possible. Can we try this one now? You may need to draw a model. Some of you may say, no, I would like to be a model. Is it true, Naomi? No. So, Shakil, you talk to your mother about seafood tonga. I will show you the movie later. Okay. So you can check. Syafia, di mana dia? Perempuan nama Syafia. Where are you? Aduh, this one. Naomi, you can do, Naomi. Don't give up, Naomi. You have nice hair. I wish I can have as long a hair as you. In fact, once I was in the bus as a student, I wanted to hold the bar. I go and hold one girl's ponytail. Alamak, very, very scary. I was very sorry. As a student, not as an adult. As an adult, they will say, dirty old man. Shafia, welcome back. Shafia, come back. Shafia, come back to this world. Don't go to another world. You may need to draw a model. You may need to draw a model. And usually, you draw the shorter one first. Or you can draw this one first. I think there might be a problem in this question. Okay, there's a problem. There's a mistake in this question. So sorry, yeah.
The number 3, is it number 3?
No,
Is it number 3?
There's something wrong in this question.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think the answer is 130, but then the number 3 is blocking the.
Yeah. There's something wrong in the question. Okay, never mind. This one we cancel. Sorry. Okay, sometimes there's even school make mistakes. It doesn't want to disappear. Let me see. This one maybe we don't need to do graph yet. Another time. A number is in between 15 and 50. We are thinking of a number. It could be 16. It could be 17. It could be 18. It could right until 49. But it's a common multiple of 4 and 8. And the number can be divided by 6. What is the number? What is the number? So you try lah. You can try these numbers here. You don't need to do everything. Try. Is this a multiple of? First of all, is it between 15 and 50? If it is, then check no one. Is it same multiple of 4 and 8? You may need to write this down. Okay. It's a factor of 6. Maybe you want to do this first. Can it be divided by 6 first? Not. You try. Can divide by 6 not? Can divide by 6 not? Can divide by 6 not? Those that cannot, cross it out. We try now. 16 can divide by 6 not? Cannot. 18 can. 12 can. So now 32 can divide by 6 not? Cannot. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 36. Don't have. Cannot. 40 they can divide by 6 or not? Cannot also. 48 can divide by 6. Yeah. So sometimes we don't need to do the whole question. You do the whole question, you write down. This is how you do the whole question. Okay. You do the whole question. Alamak. Multiples of 4, 4, 8. Alamak, lama. Sometimes you try now. They say it is a factor of 6. You try. Only one number can be divided by 6. This is the answer. Sometimes you don't need to do all. This is called a smart way of doing it. For example, now I give you, I'm thinking you guess what animal is this. I'm thinking of an animal. This animal loves to eat insects, for example. Or, okay, this animal loves to eat insects. It is not an insect, but some people think it's an insect. It can have many eyes. And most of it has 8 legs.
Spider.
Spider. So what is the thing that tells you say 8 legs? Oh, okay, spider. So sometimes one of the clues can give you more than the other. Shakil, what are you looking at, Shakil? I can see your eyes are looking at somewhere. Looking at mother. Very good, very good. You don't understand? Which one you don't understand? This one. This one you don't understand? Okay, you know what's factors not? Factors. Okay, then we try. Since you don't understand my style, you don't understand. Okay, that's good if you don't understand, you tell me. Now, factor means can be a number that can be divided by. So now I say, I'm thinking of a number. It's either 18 or 24. I'm thinking of this number, 18 or 24. But the number I am thinking can be divided by 9. So what is the number I'm thinking of? Can it be 18 or 24?
24. Wait, what's the question?
The number I'm thinking can be divided by 9.
18.
18. So 9 is a factor of 18. 9 is a factor of 18. What is the meaning of factor? Can be divided by. So sometimes from one clue, you know the answer. Okay, I'll give you another one. You tell me, okay? All of you all try. I'm thinking of one number. And maybe the number can be 100. The number can be 81. And the number can be 64. Okay? This number is even number. Okay?
64.
Could be 64, could be 100. See now there's two possible answers. But this number 10 is a factor of
100.
this. So it will be 100. Why? Because 100 can divide by 10. So you know this is the answer. Factor means what? This number can divide by this number. All right. Factors means number that can be divided by something. Okay, never mind. We try. Yeah. Sometimes it take a little bit longer. No problem. This one you think through. Okay, think through and try. This is two similar rectangles. The length is twice the breadth. The length is twice the breadth. What does it mean? The length is twice the breadth. You know, I hope you know what it means. Length times means, let's say you have like that. If the breadth is 2, the length is 4. Double. Twice means double lah. Okay. So clue. Count in terms of breadth. Count in terms of breadth. What is breadth? Breadth is the lebar. This is the breadth. This is the breadth. This is the breadth. So this is the rectangle, right? This one rectangle. They say the length is 2 times the breadth. Means you can get 2 breadth here. 2 breadth is equals to the length. Can 2 breadth is equals to the length. So if this is 3, the length here will be 3 times 2 lah, 6. Let's say if it's 3, but this is not 3, yeah. So now you count in terms of breadth lah. What do you mean count in terms of breadth? How many breadth are there in the perimeter? First of all, what is the perimeter? Some students don't know what the perimeter. Perimeter means outline, eh? What do you mean by outline? This is the outline. So how many breadth do you have in the outline? You say I only got 2. 1, 2. No, you got more breadth. So I'm going to show you now what's more breadth. Huh? You got 1 down. Okay, I show you exactly. Yeah. Then you see whether you can get it. See, down here is 1 breadth. I have another breadth here. Right? This is the second breadth. Nah? And then I got another breadth down here. There are 3 breadths already. And then don't forget the length down here from here to here. They say it's twice of this breadth. Means there's 1 and there's another 1. Okay, let's say now we do it like that. We do it a little bit longer. Okay, this 1 breadth. So there's another 1 and another 1. And bottom, another 1 and another 1. Right? And there's another 1 here and another 1. But perimeter, we don't include this one. We don't include this breadth. It's only the one on the outside. So how many breadth do you have? We can count what? How many breadth do you have? Makes the perimeter. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6 breadth, 7 breath, 8 breath, 9 breath, 10 breath. So
Answer is 1.
so 10 breath is equals to perimeter is 80. What is 1 breath? Answer is 1 is not correct. They didn't ask you for the breath, they asked you for the length. Come on, can you find out how many breaths are there? 10 breath. 10 breath is the perimeter. 10 breath is equals to what? Is equals to the perimeter, which is 80. Right? So what is 1 breath? Divide by 10. 1 breath is equals to 8 cm. All right, 8 cm. That means the length is how much? Length got 2, you know. 8 times 2 lah. 16. Yeah. Are we okay? Difficult,
Hey, I got it.
Okay, sometimes it takes more time.
I got it.
Okay, good. If you got it, good. Okay, we will move on still, but we will later on, you'll get similar questions like this. So you must be able to do. Remember, the videos are all available online. You can refer to the videos and even learn from the other classes if you want to. Okay, you can even say, yeah, I want to learn the primary 4 classes. Can also. Done, Wait. We do this one. Question 16 and 17. 16 and 17. You cannot use calculator. Not yet.
Number 18 is 1050.
Okay.
Wait, I just
Are
took
you
my
ready?
number.
It is
Wait,
1050.
I haven't even
Okay, you
started.
type in your answer. Type in your answer. Naimi, type in your answer. Akil.
Teacher, wait, I'm not done yet.
Okay, sure.
1050.
105.
0.
Okay. 1050 is it? How many zeros you have, Akil? 105? How many zeros?
1.
1. Okay, we just check.
Oh, cancel eh?
Not cancel, jangan cancel means divide. You must plus. All right, you can take like this. You can take like this. Very simple, just that. You take 15 times what? Times 7. Then you get your answer. Your answer is what? 105, is it?
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes.
Mr. Shaheed. My
Yes.
answer is 750.
750.
750.
Can
Okay,
put 105.
Okay, let us check now. Let us check. 750.
105.
Okay, we check. We see because different answer now.
Wait, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher don't tell the answer yet.
Don't tell answer. Okay, then
I want
how?
to.
What you want to do?
I wonder how I got my answer when everyone is saying a lower number.
Okay, it has to be more number. Okay, but never mind. You try the next one, number 17. What's the answer for number 17?
One zero 105.
10.
Uh,
You're on mute, huh?
105.
105, good. How many zero behind it?
2.
Why 2?
3. 3.
Yes. Remember not? You must remember, ah. Don't go and cancel zero. They are kawan, no?
Mr. Shaheed, can I change my answer?
Sure. What's your answer?
My answer is 1050.
1050. Okay, come. You do it on the board, and we will check in a moment. So all you have different answers now. 150 times 700. Okay. Now, very simple, 150 times 700. This one you must, okay, you can just take 15 times 7. And at the end, at 1230. So 15 times 7, how much do you get? 5 times 7, 35. 1 times 7, 7 plus 3, 105. So this is equal 15 times 7, 105. Then don't forget to add 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. 1 0, 2 zeros, and 3 zeros. Okay, you must add 3 zeros, okay? Okay, huh? So again, you can take this number times this number, and then you write the answer here. Count the number of zeros, and then you put it here. We try one more, Ken. We try one more. You see whether you can do it. You must be able to do this now, because these are questions that you can score. Now you don't need to use a calculator. Don't need to use working. You can just times 2 times how much, and write down. You can do it. You can do it. You don't need to do working. You can just mental.
Mr. Shahid, my answer is
Mm-hmm.
for my answer is 46000000.
How many zeros total?
My one is 4
Five
million
five zero.
Okay, what's your answer, Riley? What's your
6.
oh, 6?
Wait.
46 only.
4 million
4 million.
600,000.
So Naomi and Shakil, can we do together lah? 2 times 2. Shakil. 2 times 2. Shakil. 4.
46
times
0
two.
0 0 0 0.
How many zeros?
No, 5.
5. Good, that means you all know how to do. Well done. Easy, right? Easy. So yeah, inshallah you should be okay. Okay, believe in yourself, but you got to practice. So now this one is the next one. The next one. Well, those who have done can do question next one. So how to do this one? What is your answer? Let me see all the different answers now. Riley, your answer is not correct. I'm so sorry. It's close to it, but it's not correct. Not too whole. Cannot be too. Yeah, correct. Now it's correct. Well done. Congratulations, Riley. You got it. What about the rest?
I don't know how to do.
Okay, you don't know how to do them. Very simple. I'll show you. Now this is what you do. You go to number 2 down here. Number 2 is here, right? Number 3 is here. How many parts do you have inside? This is one part. 2 parts. How many parts do you think you have right until the end? How many parts?
8.
8 parts, good. So now this is 8 parts, right? So now I just shade like that. I show you. Okay, this one 8 parts, right? And then down here is all taken up by the arrow. The arrow is taking up this part. So now this is 2 whole. You write 2 whole. 8 parts, you put 8 below. Why 8 below? Because there are 8 parts. Then this one is number what?
Oh, 1 out of 8.
No, you must have 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
4, 7 out of 8.
Yes.
Okay.
But then why is this not number 4? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one should be number 4. Why they put half?
Because it's half.
Yeah, it's actually simplest
half.
form. Actually, it's 2, 4 over 8. But then you can divide by 4, get 2.5. This is simplest form. This one simplest form. Okay? All right, now we move on. Oh, poor thing, some child is crying. Let us see whether you can get this question right. Increasing order from small to big.
I gotta ask you a question.
I think your answer is not correct. Yes. What is question?
I want to ask you if I'm
0
correct.
0.568, 0 0.56, 5 out of 8.
Again, one more time. 0 point.
0 0.568, 0 0.56, 5 out of 8.
Okay. One of them is, which one is bigger? 0.56 or 568?
0.56 or 0.568? 568.
So that one must be second. Smallest is this.
Fraction?
One.
Fraction, I mean.
Not, yeah, fraction 5 or 8, actually you can divide. You can divide. So now how to do all this now? So what is 5 over 8? You take this or that. 5 divide by 8. You find out what's the answer. You know how to divide now? Have you learned how to divide 5 divided by 8? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you find
Why
out
not?
what is.
8. Why not? Yeah, top 5 outside.
No, this there. Bottom number is outside.
I don't know.
Okay, come. Maybe this is too early, but again, 5 divided by 8. Can 5 divide by 8? Cannot. Put 0. Then put the dot. After that, you can put the dot, you can add a 0. How many zeros you want, you can add. Now, 50 can divide. Oh yeah, 50, 48 can. Get 6. Minus, get the 2. Bring down the 0. 20 divided by 8, I can get 16 now. 2. Minus, you get 4. Bring down the 0. 40 divided by 8, you get 5. So this is actually 5, 8 is equals to 0.625. So that's why it's the biggest there. Can you see this is the biggest there? This is 0.625. 0.625 is bigger than this, bigger than this. So that means now the answer now. Okay, we do step by step. Increasing order is from small to big. First is 0.56. Second one is 5.568. Now, how do you know this one is smaller? I can add a 0. 0.560 and 0.568. Which one is bigger? 568. You got more. So the first, second, and third one is this because we found out it's 0.625. 0.625 is bigger than all of them. So you must write down the original number 0.56. You must write down original number, then 0.568. Okay, and then 5/8, something like that. Okay, boys and girls, ID is bought already. Okay, now we try the next one. Try next one, huh?
I found out something.
Yes. What do you find out? Sorry? Can you try this?
Look.
Yes, you can.
I can write down the answer here.
Yes, you can. Oh, well done. Okay, come. Can you try this?
Okay.
I'm sorry. You try this. Come, Shavia.
Help.
And help. Okay. We're going to give you in a moment. Okay, come. We do together. Okay? How to do this sort of question. So now, if let's say you must first of all know what is the position. Huh? Let's say now. Let's see, you must know the place value. So where is ones? Which digit is in the one place? Which one? Which one is in the one place? Anyone? Ones place. Which one? Tell me. What?
5.
5. So beside the 5, this is the 10th. This is the 10th. This is the 100. TH. This is the 100. No TH. This is the 1,000. TH. This is the 1,000 and so on. Once you know the ones, you can tell what is the tens. Now, if someone say, so tens, look, this is the dot, 1 decimal after the dot. Tens. 100, 2 decimal after the dot. 1,000, 3 decimal after the dot. So now let's say now they say 4 tens. TNTH, is it? Or TNTS? Tens, TH, you know. So now 4 tens. Let's see how to write 4 tens. Remember, you can write dot until here. 1's tens. Stop on here. 4 tens is 4 tens. Just write the 4 here. Let's say now 57 tens equals to same thing. You write like that. 1 dot for the 10. 57. Just write 57. Can? 100. Let's say now the next one is 100, is it? Let's see this next one. They ask us to find out 6,500. Okay, no problem. Let's say now they say 700 with a TH. Very simple. Ones, tens, hundreds. So right, 700. So the dot is here, right? So if they say 4,200, do the same thing. Dot, dot, dot. 42. Okay, now you try the next one, okay? This one is connected now. You should know how to do this one. 1,000 is the third place. This one 100,000 is the, this is 100,000 got 3. 1,000 there's 3. You give me a moment, I go to the toilet, right? Can just for 2 minutes. All right, have you gotten your answer? Anyone got the answer? Shakil all disappear, lama. Shakil, come back. Okay, what about, let us see whether you can get the right one. Shakil, only Raidi. So yeah, come, we're going to go through this now. Let us see, the screen says what? What does it say? 41 tens. Okay, I'm going to write one down here, 41 tens. And what about the other one? They say 65,000. So now let us see here. 41 tens and 65,000. Let's see whether, can you get it right now? So tens now, what do you do? As I said, ones, tens. 41 tens, like this. 4, 1. 4, 1, can? 65,000. Well, how to write thousands? Well, ones, tens, 100,000. 65,000, just like 65. Like that. Then you add them up lah. Make sure that the dot is this this decimal place are in the same line. Then you add up. Okay, 5, 6, 1, 4.165. Can get or not? I give you my own question. Okay, now I give you my question.
Wait.
Okay, I will rub and I'll show you again. I'll rub, I'll show you again. I'll rub, I'll show you again. Now remember, you must know, beside the ones, there's a decimal place. Then after that is tens. Okay, you stop writing here. Then down here, thousands. Beside the ones, there's a dot. Then tens, hundred, thousandth, because they want under thousands. So 1,000 is 65. We write 65. The rest we put a 0. Down here, 41. We just fill in 41. So now we add them up. 5, 6, 1, 4. 1.165. Are you okay? I give you my own question, not okay. Not okay, then we have to start again. We start. So this is the answer, but let us start now. Everyone must be able to do lah. Okay, we try now. 1, 2, 3, 3 lah. 21 tens. What is it? 432 tens. 3 tens. What are your answers? Can? So is it Nayumi's kakak or adik? The one in green. Adik
My younger sister.
Your one? Mother
My
sister.
Younger
Younger sister. Okay. All right, come, let's do this one. Come. Nayumi, what's the answer? Tens, you write ones, dot tens. What's the answer? 21 tens.
2.1.
2.1. Good. Okay. We ask now Mr. Shaheed. Same thing. Ones, dot tens. So how to do this one?
43.2.
Good, well done. You just put the last one here. The last one, put it here. And we ask now Miss Shafia. Ones, tens. 3 tens. How to write this?
Three
3. And now here put a 0.
3.0.
0.3. 3.0 is 30 tens. Remember, 30 tens, we write down like that. We put the last digit down here. Last digit must go down here. This last one go here. Then the next one. Right? So 30 tens is 3.0. Same thing. The last one you put 2 down here, see? Then the rest you just write down. Now we try for thousands. Thousands. You must do until you are able to do. But I have only one worry. After you understand, you're happy, wow, so happy. What happened after that? And forget. So you must practice on your own lah. Okay? You must practice on your own. Don't use calculator lah, Mr. Raidi. 4,000.
I doing science with calculator.
Science with calculator. What are you calculating for science?
I don't know.
Then
Probably 10 minus 5. Probably like what is the room temperature for everything? So I need to take 31 minus 25.
oh, like that lah. Like that. Wow. Are you sure?
Not sure.
You try. Yeah. So far, unless they have a very complex. Okay. What are the answers? Shafia, why are you upside down, Shafia? Stop becoming Spider-Man. The other time I saw Spider-Man, he was upside down, but he was kissing a girl. Shame on him. It's true. It was terbalik kot.
This is what I share on him.
Oh, it's Friday. Friday. Only your first one is not correct.
4.000 15.40 62.17.
Okay, that's 3. 1,000 now. 1,000. So we do ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4, what to do? Put the last one down here. All becomes 0. 0.004. How to check watcher? 4,000. I change it 4,000. How to write 4,000? Like that, right? 4,000. Hey, terbalik chord lah. This one go here. This one go here. This one go here. This one go. Hey, the opposite. Do you realize? 4,000 and 4,000 the same but opposite direction. Right? Can you see 4,000 4,000? This one 0,004. Terbalik. So it's 0.04. Next one now. Again, we do ones, tens, 100,000. They say 154,000. The last one is 4, right? The 4 here. Next 5. Next one. Just add a 0. 0.154. And the last one, Share Akil, you give. Share Akil now. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? Check in the last one. Goes to the last one.
Wait.
What's she doing? Come, the last one. The second one last is here. This one is here. This one is here. And your answer is?
3.713.
Hey, how come you did? We must follow lah. 60. Okay, we took the 3. Yes. 7, 1, 2, and 6 down here. 62.173. Okay, so it's quite easy actually. Okay, we will take another one. Sorry, Can you try? Hold on, this one. And go. Question 2 and 3. Must do the brackets first,
Isn't number 2 like just broken? Like how are you supposed to divide 6 times divided by 4?
This is plus,
Oh, plus.
Okay, Riley, let's see. I think there's something wrong with it. But let me. So which one we do first? We do this one first, Then after that, you times. Then finally, you plus.
Two 704.
Congratulations to Mr. Akil.
Yeah, man.
Okay, yeah. You minus this one, you get 4. Then you must remember which one must you do first. You must do the times first. Must do the times first, huh? So down here you must have to do the times. So 6 times 450, you get 2,700. Then finally you 2,700. Then finally plus the floor. So 2,704. Okay, this is not too tough, huh? But it can be done. This one you know how to do this one. Come on. Can be.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
my answer is 3.
3 for the earlier one or this one?
No,
This one.
this one.
This one. Okay, 3. Okay, let's see. Well done. You sound like Shafika, you know.
Also 3.
3 also. What about Mr. Raidi? What do you say? What about Miss Nayumi? Me 2, 3. Alamak, everyone don't write down here lah. Hello. Okay, let's see. Times 2/8. Can divide not? Oh yeah, can divide by 2, you get 1. Can divide by 2, you get 4. Any more? No more. 3 times 1 is 3.
Sure. I thought cannot, sure.
What cannot? Top and bottom can.
Wait, change my answer, change my answer, change my answer.
Okay, change.
Wait. Change it to 1. 1.
1. Anyone else?
Ja.
It must be simplest form lah.
Out of 20.
3 out of 20. Okay, what about the
Teacher, wait.
rest?
Teacher, wait.
Yes, I'm waiting. But I'll write this down here. Are you ready, Shafia? Okay, so again, who's conteng lah? Divide by 2, get 1. Divide by 2, get 4. So 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. So the answer is 1. Okay, well done. Alamak, don't conteng lah. You're one person start now. Everyone wants to start on the worksheet. So bad lah. The only person who doesn't.
How to conteng?
The only person who doesn't conteng is Shaheed, which is very good. But now he wants to. I don't know.
I just found out today that you can conteng.
Okay.
How to conteng?
I do not know.
I cannot tell. Later everyone conteng.
Okay. I mean, you're not a good friend of mine. You're no good friend of Sheikh Akil. You're no good.
That's because if I tell everyone will conteng already, what?
Shafia is contenging also. Okay, come.
What am I
Never
doing? What?
Okay, you try question 6 and 7.
Okay.
This is the last 2 questions. Or just question number, I want question number 6 only. Then I'll show you a video that Sheikh Akil have been asking me to show.
can I write down?
Write down, please. Write down.
On the paper.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Thanks.
But you are writing down where? You're writing down here. Who is this? I don't write down here. You write down on your paper lah. What is this? Aduh, no good ah.
That's me.
Who? Shakil.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I
Shakil
just
don't do
tried.
that.
This one got pencil.
Just write your name, then put the number that you think is right on the
Chat lah.
Can.
Chat, yes.
Just put text.
So what is that? I see everyone's writing on my. Okay, what's the answer now? You just tell me what's the answer. Ready, go. We don't have much time. Okay, what's the answer?
8292.
292. Is it?
8290.
My answer is right on the top. My answer is right at the top. You can see my
See.
answer.
Okay, I can see answer. So you read this one first. Shakil.
Thank you.
What is it? 880,000. You saw you write 880.
Oh, okay, wait. 880292.
2. Good. Okay, well done. This is correct. This is correct also. So we have 2 minutes more. And Shakil have been asking me about this. So maybe I do not know whether the rest of you are interested in this. Just give me one moment. Okay, so this is the. I will show it to you. Okay, just give me one moment. Now I will share screen.
What do you want to show?
You say you want to watch the.
Yes. Come on.
So now this one now is a movie I wrote, and it's a nonsense movie. 10 years ago, I went to Malaysia. I was in the film industry in Malaysia, and I wrote about 5 movie scripts. So the movie script, it became. Can you hear the sound? Now you can see this is Era Fazira, and you can see my name down here. Okay. Can you see? Can see now? Hey, don't write on it lah. Okay, now you look up my name. Not yet. Then this is my name here. Can you see? So
Yes, I can see.
So
I saw.
but
Chill.
hold on. You want to see? Hold on. Don't chonting lah.
Chill.
Hold on. Wait. Hold on.
I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
So, you wrote a book called
The Ultimate Guide to Mastering Comprehension.
No, you wrote another book. Like how much the book is like someone like
Please, is it?
Sure, I want to see your face.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. One by one. Okay, I'll show you. Okay now. Then
so
after
show me
we
all
go.
the books that you wrote. Show me all the
Then that one we do next week. Okay. So this one, if Shakil wants to see me last time, I did play a crazy role here. Okay. This is now inside here. You can see. You can go to YouTube. The movie is called Sifu Tonga. Okay, I'm behind here.
Is that the curly hair guy?
No, this is me.
Oh,
So anyway, that's if you want to watch, is there. I'm inside the jail as C Gila. You know C Gila? All right, then I'll see you next week. Okay.
wait, Mr. Shaheed, what's the movie called?
The movie is called Sifu Tonga. I show you again. I show you the name of the it is.
Oh my god!
Yeah, this one can see not? Are you able to see? Can you see the name down here? Can you see the name? Hello? Can see not?
No, cannot.
You cannot see?
Oh, can.
This one. You can go to YouTube, you can see this. But they will normally take it down because this is illegal. They put up. So this is me
Is it
doing
Sifu and Tonga?
Yeah, Sifu dan Tonga. but you must go for the full movie lah.
Nice, nice. So
Anyway,
how much tabs you open?
how many? What?
How many tabs you open?
Tabs? So many. So I got a chance, for your information, I got a chance to go to the movie industry to write script, to work with some of the stars like Nabil, Saiful Apir.
How do they know you?
And because I don't know them, the director and producer know them. So they want me to write the script. So I told them, can I try to act? Can I do this? Can I do that?
No. How they know you?
How they know me?
How? They just call you.
Oh,
Mr. Shaheed,
my friend knows
I
me.
see the movie.
You can see.
Mr. Shaheed.
Up to you.
I think I know
Okay.
how they know you because of
How-
your popular book,
No.
the English book.
It's someone in Malaysia who introduced me. They know I'm interested in this. So now I'm very good friends with them. Yes, Shafia.
So
Oh, no,
so Fazrul still remember you.
I think
Of
I
course.
saw.
You saw the movie. It's a crazy movie, yeah. Yeah, it's a crazy movie. Okay.
Yeah, it's a very crazy movie.
Bye.
Okay,
You're
bye-bye.
very nonsense.
On such, yeah. All right, bye-bye. Take care.